Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, PHEVs. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, PHEVs, are a type of hybrid vehicle that combine the benefits of electric and conventional vehicles. They have both an electric motor and an internal combustion engine, ICE, and they can be charged by plugging into an external power source, such as a wall outlet or a charging station. This allows them to run on electricity for a certain range, which varies depending on the battery size and the driving conditions. When the battery is depleted, the vehicle switches to a hybrid mode, where it uses both the electric motor and the ICE to optimize fuel efficiency and performance. PHEVs can reduce greenhouse gas emissions and fuel consumption, as well as provide a smoother and quieter driving experience. PHEVs are different from other types of hybrid vehicles, such as conventional hybrids, HEVs, and battery electric vehicles, BEVs. HEVs also have an electric motor and an ICE, but they cannot be plugged in to charge. They rely on regenerative braking and the ICE to recharge the battery, which is smaller than that of a PHEV. HEVs can improve fuel economy and reduce emissions compared to conventional vehicles, but they cannot run on electricity alone. BEVs, on the other hand, have only an electric motor and a large battery, and they can only be charged by plugging in. They have zero tailpipe emissions and lower operating costs than conventional vehicles, but they have a limited range and require more frequent charging. PHEVs offer a balance between the advantages and disadvantages of HEVs and BEVs. They can run on electricity for short trips, such as commuting or running errands, and use the ICE for longer trips, such as road trips or traveling in areas with limited charging infrastructure. They can also take advantage of both the existing fueling network and the emerging charging network, giving them more flexibility and convenience than BEVs. However, PHEVs also have some drawbacks, such as higher purchase costs, heavier weight, and more complex maintenance than conventional vehicles. They also need to be plugged in regularly to maximize their benefits, which may not be feasible for some drivers or locations. PHEVs are one of the options for drivers who want to reduce their environmental impact and save money on fuel, while still enjoying the performance and reliability of conventional vehicles. They are suitable for drivers who have access to charging facilities at home or work, who drive mostly short distances on electricity, and who occasionally need longer range or more power from the ICE. PHEVs are not ideal for drivers who rarely plug in their vehicles, who drive mostly long distances on gasoline, or who prefer a simpler and lighter vehicle design. PHEVs are part of the transition to a cleaner and more sustainable transportation system, along with other types of hybrid and electric vehicles.